Today, we'll walk you through the powerful AI Warrior Pro plugin and how it helps you generate high-quality content in just seconds. Let's begin by installing the plugin and setting it up on your WordPress site. Once installed, head over to your WordPress dashboard, where you'll find the AI Warrior Pro plugin ready to use. The user interface is simple and easy to navigate, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned content creators. Next, let's integrate your Google Gemini API key. PDF tutorial was given with plugin. This step connects your account to the powerful AI engine that will generate the content for you. Just enter the API key here, and you're all set. To create a new article, simply click on the Generate New Article button. You'll be prompted to input a keyword, topic, or any idea you want the AI to write about. The AI will then generate content based on your query in just a few seconds. You can request article in any language like Spanish, Russian, etc. Once your article is generated, you have the option to schedule posts, save drafts for later, or even edit the content manually. It's a great way to streamline your content creation process and manage posts efficiently. You can also easily edit article manually before publishing. When you click on Generate Article button, the article will be generated in few seconds. You can easily optimize your content for search engines, edit the SEO title, meta description, and add a featured image, all from within the same interface. 5. Integration with WordPress. Seamlessly integrating with WordPress, AI Warrior Pro allows users to manage and publish AI-generated content directly from their WordPress dashboard, streamlining the content creation process. If you prefer to make manual adjustments to the content, simply click on Edit Article to make your changes. Whether it's tweaking sentences, formatting, or adjusting the tone, the control is entirely in your hands. Once everything looks good, set a strong post title and click Publish Article. Your content will be live and ready to share with the world, instantly. AI Warrior Pro stands out as a powerful tool for WordPress users seeking to leverage AI technology for content creation and optimization. With its current features and promising future developments, it offers a comprehensive solution for enhancing online content strategies. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with AI Warrior Pro.